it's time for our first variation on our proportion. Find each percent change. Round to the nearest percent and state if it is an increase or a decrease. Now this is still going to be a proportion setup, but there's a slight difference. Instead of being is over of equals percent over 100, it's going to be difference over from equals percent over 100. See if I can't write that a little bit more neatly. Maybe, possibly, could be. There we go. So difference meaning the difference of the two numbers, so just subtract them. Smaller from bigger, nothing crazy. The from number, you can see these problems all say from something to something else, so it's the first number. The percent, we're finding the percent, so that will always be our missing value. And our 100's a 100. So that's going to be the percent change. And it says round to the nearest percent. That means for this section, we're rounding our answers to whole numbers. So let me set up number 19. I know in this section we do not know the percents. Find the percent of change. All right. My setup says in the top part of the first fraction, we should put the difference of the two numbers. Difference means subtraction. So we're going to do 8.5 minus 3. 8.5 minus 3 is 5.5. The denominator of the first fraction is our from number. Here that is 8.5. Now we can cross multiply. We get 550 equals 8.5x. When we divide both sides by 8.5, we get to the nearest whole number, 65 for x. So that means we have ourselves a 65% decrease. How do I know it's a decrease? Because we went down. We went from 8.5 down to 3. That's a decrease. An increase would mean we go up, like in number 20. So percent change problems can always start with a fraction bar equals x over 100. On the left side, the top part of the fraction is the difference of the two numbers. And always positive. Always bigger minus smaller. I don't care what order they're shown to you. So here 17 minus 10 is 7. Our denominator on the left side is the from number, which is the 10. Cross multiply. 7 times 100 is 700. 10 times x is 10x. Divide both sides by 10 and we get 70 is equal to x. That means we have a 70% increase. Okay. So notice I'm showing a lot of work, and I'm also recopying the numerical answer with the word or this, abbreviation for increase and decrease so that we know what the final answer is. I invite you to pause and try 21 to 24. On number 21, the difference in the two numbers 9 and 3 is 6. Our from number is 9. Cross products are 600 and 9x. When we divide, we do not get a nice answer, so we round it to the whole number. That is 67. 9 to 3 is going down, so this is a 67% decrease. In number 22, we're going from 30 to 12. So those two numbers have a difference of 18. 30 minus 12 is 18. Our from number is 30. Cross multiply. 18 times 100 is 1,800. 30 times x is 30x. Dividing both sides by 30, 1800 divided by 30 gets us a nice whole number of 60. So our answer here is that we have ourselves a 60% decrease. From 19 to 33, so what's the difference in these two numbers? Well, 33 minus 19 is 14. Our denominator is the from, so 19 there. Cross multiply, we get 1400 equals 19x. Oh, I'm betting these don't divide nicely. And they don't. The directions say round to the nearest percent, which is whole number. So that's going to be 74 equals x. Now this time we went up. We started at 19 and went up to 33. So this is a 74% increase. And finally, from 36 to 21. Started off the same way. 36 and 21 have a difference of 15. And our from value is 36. Cross products are 1500 and 36x. Dividing both sides by 36 gets us, rounded, 42 being equal to x. We went down to get from 36 to 21, so this is a 42% decrease.